Popcorn? Popcorn? Popcorn! Well, you're not saying anything, so I guess I should leave. Goodbye, Popcorn. This is the Weird Battle. Hey, Ver, what's up? James, I have this YouTube channel called Ver Minecraft. Wow. Hey, Dice, you want to go out?
No.
Dice, you can't speak to Dorito like that. That's rude.
Shut up.
Hey, Cup. Hi.
Oh, cut it out. Stop that.
You deserve it. Hello, guys. I'm Mason Cox, the host of the Weird Battle.
Mason, Cup beat me up. Can you take care of it, please?
Die.
Dorito, what's wrong?
Well, I wanted to ask Dice out on a date, but she just yelled at me. She was all like, no.
I know how you feel, but I'm going.
All right. Now, it's time to form some teams. Pizza! Want to be on the same team?
Sure.
Ver, should we be on the same team? Yeah! Hey, Popcorn, let's be on the same team. Popcorn? Tornado, I want to be on the same team as you. Okay. Yeah. Hey, Dora, I want to be on your team.
Sure.
Okay, now that all your teams are formed, your first challenge is to eat as many grapes as you can. Yikes! Begin! Hi guys! Whee! Fork, do you know what the contest is? We have to eat as many grapes as we can. Oh. Poison! Oh no! Yeah! Okay, enough! I guess the bad hogs are up for elimination then. Huh?